Hi, I'm Liz. I'm a certified technician, and today we're going to go over how to replace a battery on your Chromebook. I've already taken the screws out of the back panel with this screwdriver. Link is in the description down below. Same thing with this pry tool. To loosen it like this, and then it comes right up. So very easy peasy on that. Now, one very essential thing when you are removing a battery that not everyone thinks of is make sure that it's one of the first things you do is unplug it, because you don't want power running into the board and then you run the risk of accidentally shorting something because the board is live. So first thing we do is I'm going to grab this by the little tabs on the side, not by the wires, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone wants to grab those wires, but that is the number one way to mess it up. So grab the little tabs and pull back. Just like that, real simple. No yanking on the wires. The wires come out so incredibly easy. This particular battery does not have any screws. On a lot of them, you would have to remove screws around the edges. But with this one, it's really easy, so that's great. All you do is set it in place. Love that. But usually, yeah, you'd have a couple screws around the end to remove. This particular one you do not. So you would set the new one in like so, and then you would go ahead and you would gently push it back in. If it resists, look and see and check the angle, because you don't want to bend one of the pins on the inside. So I'm going to close this up, and from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.